I have been struggling with content creation workflows for years, but I finally discovered a method that completely eliminates the chaos. If you are a creator who records long videos and then spends countless hours hacking them into bite-sized clips, this video is specifically for you. The core problem is always the same. Long-form content is valuable, but turning it into consistent, viral short clips is absolutely exhausting. You either stare at a 45-minute file trying to hunt for the one golden 20-second moment, or you just guess and hope for the best. And then you scrub, slice, export, add captions, reformat for various platforms, and schedule. It basically feels like a full-time job. Well, here is the simpler reality. You do not have to live your creative life like that anymore. The tool I am going to walk you through today is Vizard, and it is literally built to take your long videos and turn them into ready-to-post short clips automatically. Forget about manual hunting or those late-night editing sprees that leave you feeling burnt out. Vizard finds the high engagement moments, trims them into viral-style clips, adds captions, sizes them for different platforms, and can even queue them up on a timetable. In short, this software turns one single long recording into a complete automated content machine. Let me show you exactly how I use it, step by step, keeping it practical so you can get your first batch of clips ready in under an hour. When you first log into the dashboard, it gives you everything you need to go from raw footage to a finished content calendar. On the left, you have your uploads and library, which safely stores every long video and every clip the artificial intelligence creates. There is also a section for templates and styles, which is super handy if you want a consistent vibe across all your clips without constantly fiddling with settings. And the calendar view is where the magic really becomes visible, showing scheduled posts, platform breakdowns, and what has already been published. Start by uploading your long-form video, whether it is an interview, a lecture, a podcast, or a live stream. The system handles them all. Once the file is in, pick a basic intent. Do you want bite-sized educational clips, quick highlights for social media, or a series of thoughtful excerpts? The algorithm uses that intent to prioritize what it thinks is genuinely clip-worthy for your specific audience. For example, if you pick viral highlights, the system will hunt for emotionally charged moments, punchlines, and clear call-to-action lines. Now here is what actually saves the hours, the auto-editing feature for viral clips. The software analyzes the whole video and identifies potential clips based on things like voice energy, pacing shifts, and keyword density. It then proposes a stack of short clips, usually providing more than you need, with suggested durations and platform-specific crops. You can preview them instantly, and most of the time the system nails at least 70% of the picks, which is a massive time saver. You can accept clips in bulk or fine-tune individual ones by replacing frames, tweaking captions, or changing the thumbnail. The point is that you are not starting from zero, which changes the entire game of content production. Here are a couple of tips. Toggle the engagement prediction overlay to see why the system thinks a clip will perform well. Also, use the template styles to auto-add captions or a quick intro bump so every clip looks cohesive. This is where consistency gets enforced without any micromanagement on your part. Once you have accepted the clips, the tool gives you smart exporting options for various social platforms. It can batch export all of them with the right aspect ratios and caption placements so nothing gets cut off. It even auto-generates subtitle files, which is crucial because subtitles drive retention and many creators skip them because they are tedious to make. But the part that truly turned this into a game changer for me was the auto-schedule feature. You do not have to be glued to a posting spreadsheet anymore because the system handles the timing for you. Set your posting frequency, and the AI will populate your calendar with the best times to post based on past performance. If you want to be completely hands-off, you can enable automatic publishing directly to your connected accounts. If you prefer control, it will draft the posts for review, complete with suggested captions and hashtag strategies. Then there is the content calendar, where you can manage everything in one single place. It is perfect for creators who want a single pane of glass for their entire content operation, eliminating the need to toggle between apps. I know what you are thinking. How does this compare to other stuff you have tried? People often mention tools that generate videos from scratch, but those are solving a different problem entirely. Other editors are powerful, but they require significant manual effort to find the best moments. Vizard sits in the sweet spot because it takes your real long-form work and turns it into a powerful engine. That makes it way more practical for most creators who want consistent growth. Let me give you a quick real-world example so you can picture the power of this workflow. I uploaded a 40-minute talk about productivity, and the system scanned it and surfaced 24 potential clips. It flagged 8 as high-priority viral candidates, including quick tips with a clear call to action and short anecdotes. I accepted 12 clips, applied my template for captions and branding, and queued them for the next month. In under 45 minutes, one single long video became a whole month's worth of content. Editing after the fact is super easy if a clip misses the mark or you want to change the caption style. You can even tell the artificial intelligence to prioritize different themes, like focusing on tips instead of personal stories. That flexibility means you can repurpose content differently for various platforms without redoing the entire process. A quick note on quality control. The AI is smart, but human judgment still matters for tone and brand fit. I usually skim the top picks and nudge the system where needed, which is incredibly fast compared to manual editing. If you want to stop wasting evenings clipping videos, this is the tool I would recommend trying first. It nails the 3 things that matter: finding the viral parts, scheduling them intelligently, and providing a calendar to manage everything. If you try it, here is a mini checklist to speed you through the first run. Upload a video, choose the intent, and let the AI generate clips. Then, apply a template, set your frequency, and watch the analytics for what type of clips really land with your audience. You will be surprised how quickly this becomes your primary content backbone for your channel. And do not worry, this is not about replacing creativity. It just takes the grunt work off your plate. Now you can focus on what actually matters: your ideas, your hooks, and creating the next great long-form piece. Alright, that is the workflow, so try it on a single episode or a talk you recorded last month. Convert it into a month's worth of cross-platform content in under an hour and watch your growth explode. See you in the comments, and if you want, drop the title of a long video you are thinking of repurposing and I will tell you the exact clip types I would pull first.